Hello, my name is Jerry Ruitt and I am a developer for Genware Computer Systems. We at Genware Computer Systems are creating a series of short but powerful videos in Tibco Spotfire version 7.5 to assist you in enhancing your data formatting skills and to ensure you get the most out of Spotfire. In this exercise, we will do a bottom-up analysis by using sales data to help us find sweet spots for gender, locations, and date joined. This data set is sales data that's been captured following a marketing campaign, which required customers to sign up as subscribers in order to track sales. There are two ways of doing a bottom-up analysis. We will commence with a traditional top-down analysis to identify sweet spots, then follow that with a bottom-up analysis to further our research in this analysis. The traditional drill-down method is a good way to drill down from large amounts of data down to a granular level. I will now commence with this demonstration. In this tab, our main visualization is based on the total amount of sales by age group and lined by gender. We can see that females between the ages of 40 and 60 purchased substantially more than males in the same age group. For this demonstration, it is important to realize that females are shown as having higher purchases when unfiltered. If we mark this group, our second visualization in the bottom left will generate the total amount of sales per business location. We can see there's a big difference in sales between males and females, but also that Boston and New York are the highest purchase locations for females, and Los Angeles and Boston are the highest purchase locations for males. When marking the total amount of sales for males and females for Boston and Los Angeles, we are able to see the total amount of sales from date joined in the middle right visualization. The highest sales were in April of 1993, and this was due to the start of the campaign. If we mark the total amount of sales for April, the bar chart in the bottom right reflects the total amount of sales per member number. This chart is formatted to sort the values from highest to lowest sales per member number. This is where the typical drill-down method would end. For us to see more detailed information on the bar chart, I will now show you how to do the bottom-up analysis. By marking the members with the highest sales on the bar chart, the other charts change to reflect the selected data. What makes this data set interesting is that in the unfiltered data, females were reflected as having the highest amount of sales. Yet, when marking the top members, we are able to see males who joined in April of 1993 in Los Angeles, aged 50, made the highest purchases. What this indicates to our marketing company would be for them to investigate males in this age group, as there is a potential for sales. Thus, it reflects that males in a higher age category spend more money and would require marketing to investigate this potential sales group. I will now commence with the bottom-up analysis without conducting a top-down analysis. When all our filters are cleared, we have a large amount of data reflected in our visualizations. The bar chart bottom right reflects the total amount of sales per member number. If we mark the top member sales, we can see in our main visualization the highest amount of sales were made by females between the ages of 40 and 60. And the locations with the highest sales were New York and Seattle in our bottom right visualization. The total sales by date joined in our middle right visualization reflects a spike in April of 1993, but is evenly distributed the rest of the period. This indicates to us that members who joined earlier in the campaign purchased more than members who joined recently. Now, interestingly enough, if we mark members with the lowest sales, we can see in our main visualization that females between the age of 40 and 60, who are located in New York and Seattle in the bottom left visualization, had the highest sales. When we look at the total sales from date joined in the middle right visualization, we can see that there are a few spikes for September and December sales of 1994. This means that even though the top members purchased large amounts in April of 1993, the lower clients are all fairly recent purchases. This could indicate that members with high sales purchase when they want to, but the lower members are more seasonal or price sensitive. It could also indicate that there was a sale or clearance that took place recently, and it also indicates that males purchase lower value items than females. On both sides of the chart, there are anomalies that require marketing to investigate, and the bottom-up analysis was a great technique to identify these. Now let's look at how we made it possible. All of this is possible through marking and data limiting. Each visualization has its own marking, and it is highly recommended that you name each marking. This will eliminate any chance of confusion and selecting the incorrect marking, causing your visualization to not work. If you look at the legend for total sales per business location in the bottom left, you can see this visualization's marking is named Total Sales by Business Location, and the data limiting is set from Total Sales by Age Group, which is our main visualization. In a traditional drawdown method, data limiting from a previous visualization would be the only marking selected. For a bottom-up analysis, we need to include the total sales by member number marking to the data limiting. However, for this to work, you would have to switch to analyst mode, as it is not available in Business Author yet. When in the Properties column under Data, there is a drop-down list which you can choose what you would like the visualization to do should there be no items marked in the main visualization. The default setting is Empty Visualization. We need to change this to All Data in order for our bottom-up analysis to work. This illustration is an example of a small data set and visualizations. A larger set of data will show you a better selection of visualizations and identification of sweet spots. I hope you found this demonstration interesting and helpful. Our contact information is on the screen should you wish to reach out to us for assistance in implementing this technique. Thank you.